Hi lovely people, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you all the different versions of a plank and how you can do them. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to do a regular plank. You're going to basically assume the position as if you're going to be doing a push-up. The first plank that we're going to do is going to be on our hands. You want to make sure that your hands are right underneath your shoulder in a good length. If you need to spread it out a little bit wider just to hold your balance, that's fine. But it's best if it's right underneath your shoulders. You want to extend your legs and then you want to drop those hips. Not all the way down, but you want to make sure that they're not sticking up like this, but you're basically laying straight back, kind of like you're a table. You can look forward, look at anything, and that's how you do a first plank. The same plank is now going to be on your elbows. How you can do this is here, I'll show you here. Your elbows can be down, holding your hands, or you can have them separated as well. Ready? Let's try it. For me, I'm a bit long, so I do like holding my hands. Again, you don't want your body sticking up, you want your butt down, and you want your body to be flat. So you're going to feel all the force in your arms down here, and also in your core. As you're doing these planks, you want to make sure that your core is tight, your stomach, your abs, you're strengthening them. So just make sure you hold them. You should feel it anyway, but it's always good to just squeeze in your abs. Now, next is going to be side planks. Basically, we're going to be doing the same thing, using our hands first and then our elbows, but this is just going to be on the side. Now what's going to be a little different is how our legs are going to be. So first I'm going to be doing a hand plank on the side. You see here, my one foot is holding my body and the other foot is on top. Now if you need some support, you can always hold down, but at the same time, you want your body to be still. You want it to be straight. Hold your hands here, or you can hold your hand out. And you're basically going to be doing the same thing again on the other side. Now, after we do that, we're also going to do elbows on the side. So now our elbows are straight in front of us and holding. Again, if you need to help balance yourself, you can hold here. If you possibly need like another mat, you can get another mat to help lift you up, but there should be space, okay? If you have a blanket or a yoga block, you can use that as well if this is a little bit difficult for you. Again, you're going to turn around and do it on the other side as well. Either holding, cupping your arm down sideways, or lifting your arm up. Now, the last type of plank is going to be on your back. Again, this may be difficult for some, so if you need to, get another mat. If you have another mat, get a block, a blanket, something to help push and rise your body up. So, again, we're going to start with our hands. It's It's honestly up to you if you want to hold your hands forward or backwards, your palms. You will, again, want to lay out your feet. And then now, instead of lifting your hips down to be straight, you want to lift those hips up. Okay? You're going to look forward. You can look at the ceiling, kind of fixate on something. But you want to make sure there's lots of space and room between your hips and that they're leveled and balanced. Okay? Again, this is a little bit harder than your hands. So you're basically doing the same thing. Now it's with your elbows. Keep your elbows firm down on the ground. You want to lift up. You see here, there's no space. I'm not touching the floor. So lift, lift, lift as hard as you can. At that point, if you need the block or a piece to help lift you up, you can do so as well. Just to make sure you're not touching the floor. This can be basically like a practice or a guide so that you get used to using your arms and your legs and your core to lift up your body. Okay, so those are all the planks. If you've never done them before, I recommend practicing to hold these planks for at least 10 seconds. And then from there, keep going up to 30 seconds, 45, and then a minute. And then you'll be a pro. Yeah, I'll be back with more.